All okay now? How are you? I'll give you time for voice. How much was it? What was the homework? So homework was white side 1.2. Done? Yes, sir. You take the leave third question. Do we have that? I do not teach you not tuition. Rest of done. And sir, I have a doubt in the sixth one. Completely 5 marks. You have done the homework, Dhruv. All. Where is this? You are after now. Irregular, no. You have done the homework. Why not to learn? No time. Daisy or confused. I say confused. I'm not from being discussed now. You learn all answers got it. These are the homework. Is majorly homework? Yes, sir. Page is done. Homework was easy. Yes, sir. Any problem? Not problem. Tell me. Sir, I have doubt in the sixth one. Sixth question. What is the sixth question? Try to rational numbers between. Find to rational numbers between root 2 and 3. But 100 multiplied means rational numbers, no? So you have to think what is almost approximate value of root 2. Since it is rational number means you have to find out what is an approximate value of root 2. You know what is approximate value of root 2? 2 is approximately equal to 1.41 and root 3 is approximately equal to 1.73. Now between 1.41 and 1.73, can you find out two rational numbers?
Yes, sir.
How? Tell me. 1.4 dot 1.42.
So how did you find out that it is approximate?
So this is, there is a division method. Last year you studied square root to find division method.
No.
Your 9th standard, your 8th standard. Square root finding. You studied square root by division method.
Yes.
You say no. Then what you do?
Square root by division method.
How did you? Hello. Last year you studied square and square root 2 by 2. How did you find out the square roots? How did you factorization? Look. You have to find it by a simple one I'm giving. 484. You have to do it by division method. Where is the decimal of this one? Where is the decimal over here? After 4 now. Now you are first is grouping here to do it. Look here. Not that way, not that. If that big number again. So grouping means 2 at a time. And last one is 1. Remembering, if it is coming as 3, 2, 6, 4.895, how do you group? Decimals left side and right side. Okay, grouping. Now, division is starting over here. First group, which is the first group? 4. Which is the biggest perfect square over here? Largest one is 2 square. So, okay, you also over here, you do 2 2s are 4. Subtract 0. 4 minus 4 is 0 now. Then what you do means same 2 you add over here. 2 plus 3 4. Then bring 8 next group here.
Now we have to check it.
Now, if I put 1 over here, same 1 over here. If I put 2 over here, same. Till 9 you can put. So 1 given 2 ones are 41. 2s are 28. Oh, 484 is equal to how much? 22. This is called division. Now let's come to your root 2. So grouping. This as much as the group. Okay. How much? 1 1, sir. 2 2s will come more. 1 1. Then 1 1, sir. 1. Subtract 2 minus 1 1. Then what do you do? Add 1. 2. Then the decimal comes being put decimal up. Bring the next figure. Doubles. Then if I put 1 1. 21 into 1. 21 into 1. 1. 22 into 2. 24 4s are 96. If you don't know means multiply. 4 4s are 96. Subtract. How much? 4. Okay. So what do you have to do? 4. 28 because you have to leave one space out. Then next group. Okay. 4. 281. 282 is bigger. So 1. So what do you get? 2 8 1. Subtract 10 minus 1. 9. 9 minus 8. 1. 3. 3 minus 2 1. Yes or no? Then what do you have to do? Add 2 8 2. Then bring the next group.
4.
How do you know? This one you know one word for one word. So 4s are. So what do you get here? 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 4 8s are 32. 4 2s are 8 plus 3. 11. If you want more place, please put 4. Understood now?
So we can leave it till here only or
That is depends upon your question. How many places you have to find out?
places is not there.
Generally 3 places maximum. Okay, they will mention. Generally, this year you may not get these questions. You can because it was a 10 standard, 9 standard. Now 8 standard you already done. Okay now. What is the other doubt? Huh?
She.
Are you got it out?
Sir, if you find the squares of question here, you have to a minus the whole square.
Yes. Yes.
A minus b whole square, a square plus b square
Minus
minus 3b. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Find the square means find the square. Root 5 minus we are done in the class also no. Root 5 minus 2 all square. A square means how much? Root 5 square 5. B square means 2 square 4. 9. 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 4 root 5. Done. Okay, any other problem? Homework, no problem. Sure. So second exercise is done. That later we will discuss that contradiction one question I have not done. Okay, that I will do later. Okay. Now we will go to, have you heard about surds? Surds, radicals. Okay, so irrational numbers we studied now. So surds are irrational numbers. Now what is it? So right. Surds, SURDs, not or radicals. Surds or radicals. SURD. Yes, surds.
You are different.
Okay. Right. If X is a positive rational number, positive rational number, and n is a positive integer, such that x raised to 1 by n, which is equal to nth root of x, x raised to 1 by n, is equal to nth root of x, is irrational. What is that? Mobile is there on? So tick 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 is coming. Switch it off and keep it inside now. Why the messages are coming? Don't keep the mobile in the, generally the other class, they all inside, okay? It should not be. Area of somebody is calling you all the time or messages are coming. Mother will be till 8:45 you are safe in the class, okay? Mother is worried about you. Silence you. Okay. So that there is no problem. So written is an irrational number, is irrational, then x raised to 1 by n is called a surd. X raised to 1 by n is a x raised to 1 by n, or which is the nth root of x, is called the surd. Okay, where n is called the order of the surd. N is called the order, O-R-D-E-R, order of the surd, Below write, every surd is an irrational number. Every surd is an irrational number. Written? But every irrational number is not a surd. But every irrational number is not a surd. Written? Example for surds. Example. Surd. Root 2. Root 3. Cube root of 5. Like that, anything, okay? Etc. Or fourth root of any other number, okay, fourth root of 10. These all are surds. How to find out what is a surd? This should be a positive number, integer, and this also is positive rational number. Okay? Understood? See, what is inside should be a rational number, positive rational number. It should be a positive integer, means natural number. Now, which is not a surd. Now immediately comes what is not a surd. Suppose if I write root of 2 plus root 5.
It is not a rational.
It is not, see, this is not rational number, so it's not a surd. Are you followed? Or root of 5. What is pi? Pi is irrational number now. So the examples of, so right, which examples which are not surds. Okay. Now, so follow what is the surd? Now, this one indices properties will apply over here to simplify and all. Look over here. Root 2. Is it a surd? Is it a rational number?
Yes, sir.
How can you, what should be multiplied with this one so that it become rational? What should be multiplied with this one so that it become rational? Any rational number? I have answered to my question. What should be multiplied with this one so that it become a rational? I multiply by root 2. Then answer will be equal to how much? 2. Therefore, so this is the rationalizing factor. Even I put root 2 times root 8. What is root 2 times root 8? Root 16 now. That is equal to 4. Therefore, this is a rationalizing factor. Or even root 2 times root 18. How much? 36 is 6. This is also rationalizing factor. This is called the simplest rationalizing factor, lowest rationalizing factor. So to rationalize means we will not take this one. This is the one. Okay. Suppose if it is coming as a root 8, what is the rationalizing factor? 2. Root 2. Don't take root 8 itself. Root 8 itself. Okay. Into root 2, if we check means what we get? Root
Sir, if
16.
we take itself the number,
Huh?
if we take itself the number.
Itself the number is not the simplest one. If you want, what you can do means, this can be simplified. This can run as 2 root 2 now.
Yes,
Last class I explained now.
yes, sir.
4 times 2 is equal to 2 root 2. So what is the rationalizing factor? Root 2. Simplest rationalizing factor. Okay, understood. Now your questions will be coming as rationalize the denominator. Like 5 upon root 6. What is the denominator here? Root 6. Is it a rational? No. How do you rationalize the denominator?
Multiply.
Multiply and divide by root 6. So how much you will get? 5 root 6 upon
6.
root 6 into root 6 is 6. Yes or no? 7 upon 2 root 5. Rationalize the denominator.
Itself the number.
So what will we multiply and divide? Only root 5. Root 5 and root 5. So how much you will get us? 7 root 5 upon 2 times 5. That is equal to 7 root 5 upon 10. Okay. Understood or not? Okay. Now look. Next is, so this is the monomial, one term. You know what I mean by binomial? 2 terms. Trinomial, 3 terms. These are monomials. Now, binomial I am going to tell. This is binomial. 2 terms.
Multiplied by the changing the sign of the middle.
You all know it. When did you study?
So actually, school in the school campus just explaining.
You have started.
Yes,
Ah, this chapter is going on.
yes, sir.
How much is done? First exercise is done.
Yes, sir.
Second exercise is done.
No, sir.
Now just explaining
And
this.
the first, second exercise is not done. Go on to the third exercise.
Yes, sir. Just explaining it. How.
So how will you do means if it is minus, multiply and divide by 3 minus 3 minus root 2. First exercise is done. It was easy for you that time. Now this is of the form a plus b times a minus b. Do you know what is a plus b times a minus b? Identity.
Minus b square.
A plus b times a minus b
B square minus
a square minus b square. So this will be equal to 5 times 3 minus root 2 divided by a square means 3 square minus root 2 square. That is 5 times 3 minus root 2 upon 9 minus 2. How many is that? 5 times 3 minus root 2 upon 7. This is the way to rationalize the binomial. Followed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Means if it is a plus b, a minus. If a minus b, a plus b. This much is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the rationalizing and all we are doing. So let's do trinomial. I am coming. Okay, let's do this one. Then after that we do the trinomial part. 3 terms. Let's come to the unsolved exercise 1.3. Taken page number 12. State with reasons. Which of the following are asserts or not? Yes. First one, assert or not? Root 180.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the reason? Because 180 is positive rational. Therefore, it's assert. The answer is yes. Okay. Second one.
Yes.
Fifth root of 128. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because it's a
Positive.
okay. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
third one.
No,
Why?
no.
You can multiply now.
We can.
You can multiply now.
Yes, sir.
Then
It is the sir.
this is a sure multiply and see. Cube root of 25 times cube root of 40 now.
Yes.
That is equal to cube root of 25 into 40. How much? Cube root of 1000. What is cube root of 1000? Positive. What is cube root of 1000? Oh, it is equal to 10 now.
Yes.
10 into 10 into 10 now. So is it a surd?
Yes.
Yeah. Surds are irrational numbers. It is not a surd.
It is rational.
Root is gone now. So it's not a surd because it's a rational number. All surds are irrational numbers. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay, this is not a surd because because 10 is irrational. 10 is rational. Okay, I'm followed or not?
Yes, sir.
Surds means always it should be irrational. Next one. Root pi
It is not a.
is a surd? No.
No, it's
Why it is not a surd?
because it is a.
Pi is irrational. Okay, is that right? Not a surd. Because pi is irrational. Hope you got it. Next. Next one. Next one. Answer root of root 5 minus root 3. Yes or no? Arey, what is the meaning of surd? Still leaving. Root of
It is not a
root
surd.
5 minus root 3. This part should be rational. Is it rational number?
No, sir. it is-
No. So right. Root 5 minus root 3 is not rational. Therefore, it's not a surd. Answer is no. Okay. Next one.
Lowest fraction.
Huh?
Lowest fraction. Lowest fraction.
And sixth one you did or what?
6 will be 10.
What is the answer?
It's a.
It is a surd.
It is a surd now.
Yes, sir.
Because when you make it is a surd. Sixth one is a surd. Okay. Now, what we have to find out? Lowest rationalizing factor. What is the first one?
5.
5 root 2. So 5 root 2. What is the lowest rationalizing factor? Root 2. See, when we multiply by root 2, it will come down. Okay. So lowest rationalizing factor is root 2. Next one. What is the next one? So did you write lowest rationalizing factor is root 2? Don't write equal to root 2. Lowest rationalizing factor is root 2. Second one. What is second one?
Root 18
Minus 18 minus root 50. So how will you first you simplify? How will you simplify root 18? 9 into 2 now.
Yes.
And minus 25 into 2. What is 9 into 2? 3 root 2 minus 5. What is 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2? Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Then what is the lowest rationalizing factor? Root 2. Hope you got it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is clear. So try to complete it. How many parts are there, Tejun? 8 parts. Try to do it. Let's see how. The remaining, I think it's easy. Hmm. 3 minus root 7. What is the lowest rationalizing factor?
Root 7.
Wrong. Okay. Binomial now. What is the answer? You only said, sir, we 3 plus root 7. Forgot or what? Are denominator was coming now.
Yes, sir, yes.
3 minus root 7 is 3 plus root 7. Then only a minus b form means a plus b. Answer is 3 plus root 7 is the lowest rationalizing factor is 3 plus root 7. Next. What is the next one?
Root 5 minus
Root 5 minus root 2. What is the lowest rationalizing factor?
root 5
Root 5 plus root 2. A minus b means a plus b form. A plus b means a minus b form. First is
Yes, sir.
next one.
8
minus root 10.
8 plus
8 plus root 10. 8 minus root 10. 8 plus root 10. Next one. 15 minus 3 root 2. What is the answer? 15 plus 3 root 2. That is wrong. Remember now. What is the question is given? 15 minus 3 root 2. Can you take anything common from here?
5.
5. Well,
3, sir.
3 is taken common. What is left out?
5.
5 minus root 2 is already rational now.
Yes.
This is the irrational part now. So what is the loss? 5 plus root 2. The answer is 5 plus. Lowest is 5 plus root 2. See? The 3 was not required, so 5 plus root 2. So you show this step, then below write this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. 3 root 2.
plus
Anything common you can take? Again, what is it? Mobile only.
I read it. I get it.
Games, mobile games, common. Playing a lot.
no sir. Only one day.
Your net is on. Also, switch off the net, the notification not करना.
Sometimes the Lord
Silent.
You don't know how to be silent. Huh?
Then do it.
Okay. So what is a okay? So what is this one? In next class, only the mobile should be silent. Okay. Otherwise, I can make you people the mobile to put in the office. Other branches and all, they are keeping the mobile in the office. So what?
I am also having a phone, but I have kept it aside.
Next class, okay? No. Mobile should be. So what is the rationalizing? You cannot take anything common now.
No, sir.
So what is the answer?
Root. I say
3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Rationalize the denominator. Should I do or you do? Should I show one?
Yes, sir.
What is the first one?
3 upon root 5.
3 upon root 5. What is to be done? Multiply and divide by root 5. Which is same as what? 3 root 5 upon 5. Work is over. Hope you got it now.
Yes, sir.
Same way do it. Whichever not getting, I will do it. That was simplest one. Complicated ones are coming. Getting answer or not getting? You're getting group problem. Tell na.
So A minus B and A plus B is
A square minus B square.
minus.
One, that is wrong. What is your second answer?
Second answer, root 6.
Root 6 upon 3. You also got root 6 upon 3. Third answer.
Third answer, root 3 plus root 2. Minus 1.
And the third is what is the question?
Question is
1 upon root 3. What's to be multiplied? Root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. This is equal to 1 times the same as thing plus root. This one I can make it a a square, root 3 square
minus
root 2 square. Root, this is coming as root 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus 2,
which is root 3 upon
3 minus 2 is 1 now.
yes, sir.
Arya, this is the answer you got.
Yes, sir.
Sure now? Okay. Next is fourth one. What is the question?
So fourth one, 2 minus root
2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. This is the question.
yes, sir.
What is to be multiplied and divided?
Minus.
2 minus
Times 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. Check the numerator. 2 minus root 3 times 2 minus root 3. Do you know what is the meaning of that one?
yes, sir.
2 minus root 3 the whole square. This is a plus b, a minus b is 2 square minus root 3 square.
Which would give us the
So,
a
2 minus root 3 whole square upon 4 minus 3. This has to be applied identity.
a plus
square
minus
plus root 3 square minus 2 times 2 times root 3. On 1. 4 plus 3 minus 4.
7 minus 4.
That is 7 minus 4.
Correct, sir.
So the answer. Don't make mistake. Okay.
235.
Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Check all of you.
So should I continue with the next?
Continue. Are we getting the answer? Check the steps. Okay. See, look and write. The same way, fifth and sixth, or fifth, sixth, seven, 8 also. Two yards. Go and do the next question on the board. The other side, no. Other side, he is not talking. Hey. Hey, continue. of the data and the silent. Next silent for plus this one 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 6 5 minus okay. Group are we followed? Lucky we got the same thing answer. Yeah, you got 5 minus 2 root 6.
Yes, sir.
So stand go to the board. To the next one. What now? What are you going to see? Oh, are we proud? The two now?
So
3 plus yes, that is correct. Very good. It's all right. Statement where required identity. Okay. Next one we'll do it. Group can do. Now, problem. Okay, go to class do it. That's 6, but still what is the problem? That is it. 6. Yes, very good. Same answer. Okay, next question. Are you doing just sit here or something? This side. Hey, getting the answer now? Also, when are you going to do? When are you going to do some of the work?
मैंने कुछ बोला नहीं ना दिख रहा है
Different day. Have to be very careful. What should I do?
First I will try say it is correct
Bracket see good now. Everywhere bracket is good. That is okay. Question is equal to Question is correct, no?
Yes.
I'll do. It's complicated because
So may I do?
numerator leave as it is for the time being. 6 root 3 minus 3 root 5 times 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5 divided by 5 root 3 the whole square minus 3 root 5 the whole square. Together, if you want to do mean numerator also you can do 6 root 3 times 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5 minus 3 root 5 times
5 root 3 plus root 5.
3 root 5. This is 5 5s are 5 into 3 minus 9
into 5.
Okay.
75 minus 25.
This is we can multiply 6 5s are 30 times 3 plus 18 times root 15 minus 15 times root 15 minus 9 times 5. 75 minus 40. What happened in the numerator problem?
No, sir. She was telling that numerator is a little.
Because it's a little complicated. 90 plus 18 root 15 minus 15 root 15 minus 45 on 30. 90 minus 45 is 45 plus 3 root 15 on 30. 23 as common. 15 plus root 15 upon 30.
So
So can we cancel it?
Yes,
3 and 30.
3 and 30 is cancelled, so 15 plus root 15.
Upon
So can we leave at 45 plus 3?
Simplification is required. Okay, you just make up the number. You got the answer? Do this one.
Yes, sir.
Done this one. Get the steps. Oh, time is flying.
that. Correct.
This exercise, these are the last exercise.
Yes,
It's a big exercise.
so what would be our homework?
Okay. Question number, this is done now. What is the question? Written, done? I'll erase. She started ruling. Actually, in between, she was checking this one complete now. I'll erase this one. Okay. What is the next question written? Find the value of
Yeah.
A and B. Now, then question.
Root 7 minus 2 upon root 7
Upon
root 7 plus 2.
is equal to.
So is the I said the homework is type.
He's doing homework, he's making me to do.
2 plus root 3
2 plus root 3.
upon
2
2
minus
minus
root 3
it's
is
equal
equal to A plus B root 3.
So what you have to do means first you have to rationalize. 2 plus root 3.
You have to rationalize the denominator.
Minus root 3. Saying the 2 plus root 3 and 2 plus 2. Which is same as A plus B. B root 3.
2 plus root 3 whole square.
2 square minus 3 square. Identity. 2 square plus root 3 square plus 2 times root 3 upon 4 minus 3. 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3 upon 1. 7 plus 4 root 3. What is going on area?
That is the best thing.
Huh? That already got the answer. Now check. See, 7 plus 4 root 3 is A plus 0. So what is A? A will be 7. B is will be 4. 4 root 3 9. B root 3 no, root 3 will not be there now. A is equal to 7. B is equal to 4. Check the steps. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Check the group followed. There are yes. The next one.
C upon B minus
Uh,
plus A B minus B
minus B root 2. Be careful, plus minus and all, okay? So this also rationalize. So what do you get? 3 upon root 3 minus root 2 times root 3 plus root upon root 3 plus root is equal to the same thing. 3 times root 3 plus root 2. The same thing. 3 times root 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus 2. Same as root 3 minus 3. This is 3 minus 2 is 1, so I can open the bracket 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Check the steps now. See the step, how it is written. See. This all of you done now?
Yes.
sorry
Huh? Now check what is the value B, what is the value B. Let's see who bring works.
3 is the value of 3 and so this sign is different.
So, 3 is the value of A and 3 is the value of
B
minus B.
minus
So B's value is minus 3.
minus 3
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Look here. 3 is the value of A, so A is equal to 3. 3 is the value of minus B, so B is equal to minus. Hope you got it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Opposite sign means opposite sign. That's all. What is the next question? Root 3 plus 4 root upon. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the denominator?
The denominator,
3 root 2
plus 5 root 3,
5 root 3.
which is equal to A minus B.
A minus B root 3. So rationalize 3 root 2 minus 5 root 3. 3 root 2 minus 5 root 3. Same process. This is little complicated because
Just have to state that A is
root 3 plus 4 root 2 times 3 root 2 minus 5 root 3 upon 3 root 2 the whole square minus 5 root 3 the equal to A minus B root 3. Hope you got it, all of you. Good. Time over. Now, that we will do in the next class because it will take another homework. Still question 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Can do it, can come. Practice. Okay, tomorrow school is there?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, chalo, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Next day.